Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
My name is Shravani. I am from Ethra School. I am studying in 8th class. So, for a 5-year-old, ಅಂದರೆ 5 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗುವಿಗಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೇಖಕರ ಹೆಸರು, ಕವಿ ಹೆಸರು ಆಲಿವರ್ ಅಡ್ಕಾಕ್. ಪಾಠ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಓದಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. A snail is climbing up the windowsill into your room after a night of rain. You call me in to see, and I explain that it would be unkind to leave it there. It might crawl to the floor. We must take care that no one squashes it, you understand, and carry it outside with careful hand to eat daffodil. ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ